Well, thank you very much, Wyman, for introducing me. I would like to thank Labuan IBFC for organizing this event. It has been an excellent conference, if I may say so. I've been paying attention to the amazing speakers, and the information and knowledge shared has been very, very interesting. It is hoped that the next ASEAN Captive Conference would be a live conference, and fingers crossed that the opportunity will allow us to organize that. Now, moving forward, that is the theme of my closing remarks. Moving forward, notwithstanding the challenges that the democratization of self-insurance is here to stay, but I'm glad to say that it is a very healthy and industry. The captive and self-insurance and cells and various types of self-democratization of insurance is ready to face any kind of challenges that it would encounter. And we look forward as an association, the LIIA, in meeting those challenges and facilitating and helping to overcome that, working very closely with our regulator, the Labuan FSA. I would like to add that Labuan FSA, together with Labuan IBFC, has been very supportive, very helpful in the objectives of furthering the growth and development of the insurance business in Labuan, and that includes captives. Now, on the point of captives, the LIIA has recently formed a captive subcommittee with global representations from its membership. And not only members from the LIIA, but we have been privileged in getting the support of international members who are active in the captive business globally and are friends of Labuan and very supportive of Labuan. And some of them were presenters and speakers in today's conference, for which I am most grateful for their support. This reflects a growing importance of captive business within the LIIA membership base. We take this growth seriously, and we would want it to grow further. The industry's commitment in supporting the growth of captive in Labuan is strong and committed to it fully. The LIIA, being a strong insurance and reinsurance community of some 232 members, of which 64 of them are captives, we would like to see that number grow. This is also very much in line with Labuan FSA's strategic roadmap for 2022 to 2026 that highlights the diversification into self-insurance structures as one of the key initiatives. And LFSA has been very strong and supportive about this, and I repeat this again because that's very important. Without a committed regulator, such ambitions cannot be achieved and realized. And it's very encouraging when the Director General, in his earlier welcoming remarks, indicated his commitment and continuous commitment to captive and insurance industry moving forward. Now, the breadth and the depth of the Labon ecosystem in providing a strong support base for captive players is huge. Labuan offers a diverse network of banks, as well as trust and corporate services and ancillary service providers to meet the needs of captives and self-insurance structures. But there's also a great opportunity for the reinsurance market in Labuan to play a more active role, working together with captives and finding an opportunity to synergize and work together. To that end, I think we are finding or going to try to find a way, a means to create that kind of synergy. I was most intrigued by Graham Clark's brief presentation on his financial inclusion, which Farah had alluded to. And I can't wait to see his video. I think that aspect of PCCs on how it can be part of a bigger ECG environment is fascinating. And I really look forward to see how the LIRA can help further that development. Moving forward, I think there's aspects of a digital captive artificial intelligence underwriting and how that can fit into the democratization of self-insurance is an area that needs to be explored. And I think it's only a matter of time before it happens. On that note, I would once again like to end by thanking Labuan FSA and Labuan IBFC in allowing the LIRA to participate in this conference. And I look forward to it being repeated annually. And fingers crossed that we might be able to physically meet in 2022. And may I end by wishing everybody a happy new year. It is December and we are approaching towards the end of the year. And happy holidays, and may you all stay safe and healthy. Take care.